Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Claude AI with LinkedIn. To make the connection between these two platforms, first we need to go to the LinkedIn and log in into our account. Once that's done, let's head over to Claude. Make sure you're logging into your account. What we will do now is go to the connectors section, where it says Add Files, Connectors, and more. Click on the plus icon and select Connectors. As you can see, certain connectors that you might already have active will appear here. We are going to click on the Add Connector option. In the directory search bar, we are going to look for LinkedIn. As you will notice, there is no native application. So in this case, we would use a third-party platform, Windsor AI. So let's open a new tab and go to Windsor AI, which is a data integration platform that will allow us to connect these accounts. Click on the Start for Free to register, or in my case, since I already have an account, I will log in directly. Once inside the Windsor dashboard, we will see the different available data resources. In the search bar or the left, type LinkedIn and two options will appear: LinkedIn Organic or LinkedIn Ads. For this example, we will select the LinkedIn Organic. Now, click on the blue button that says Grant LinkedIn Organic Access. The platform will request the necessary permissions to access your account information. Review their details and click Allow. Wait a few seconds for Winston to process the request and load the account connection. Once the page updates, the next step is go back to the Cloud tab. In Cloud Connector directory, select Windsor AI and click Connect button. An access request pop-up window will open. Simply click on the green Allow Access button to authorize the link and finalize the connection. From here, the only thing left is to finish configuring the specific LinkedIn parameters inside Windsor. If for any reasons you show us disconnect, simply repeat the authorization process to ensure everything is working correctly. Lastly, keep in mind that Windsor AI is a tool that includes paid plans, so that's important to factor to consider if you plan to use it long term. And that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.